Good morning. Welcome to BitcoinMF. Quick TA update the way I see the market today. I remind you this is not a financial advice, so please make sure you do your own research and let's dive right into it. Like always, we start with the naked chart, daily level, daily time frame, and right now we can see that already a green candle, and everybody is waiting for us to move more up, and I am waiting for this also. And yesterday in the Discord server, if you follow the Discord server, I posted a possible long trade with the take profit price and with stop loss price. So if you want to check it out, you can check it out on the Discord. The links, all the links are in the server. And right now we are already after taking profit, and the stop loss is also at profit. And you can check again on the Discord server where it is exactly if you don't know. And what we want to see today is, like always, everybody want to see the moon. And I am ready to go to the moon maybe, but also I want to look at the other side of market. And what I mean the other side of market is this. If we add the levels, okay, don't be intimidated by this advanced TI, but this is something I wanted to show you, okay? Right now we are again broke this level, and we are supporting on this level, and we are already here, okay? And people, they look at this, and they look at the red candle, and they see they look at many things, okay? But I can tell what I look at. I look at this level and this candle, and I can tell that people can see that it's going more up to test this line, and even more bulls want this line to be a support, and we maybe test this line, you see, 10.68, 10.7 line. And even if we go above here, because here is also there was this resistance level, and we try to play here, so it will be so much bullish that like you see, I draw here, everybody will come. And everybody will come because they will want to already see 12K again and beyond. And what I think about this is, okay, it's a Bitcoin. And like you see here, this move, you see this move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, okay? 7 days, it was going up like mad. So this of course can always happen again, because this is Bitcoin, and you know Bitcoin does what he wants. He doesn't ask lazy what to do. But also, if I add the indicators, I add the BB, I add the BitcoinMF strategy, and I change to Heikenashi like always, and I want to look at it again, okay? So what do I see if I look at it again? I see like this. Let's clean it up a little bit. I see that actually the last signal was short, okay? And once it signal us to short, if you remember, it started to go down. After it went down, it is not easy, like I always say, and it tried to shake us off. It didn't succeed to shake us off, but we continue to go down. And this we hit the BB bottom BB, and we've got the 3 candles up, and everybody is screaming moon, everybody is happy, everybody is euphoric also a little bit, I think. But again, I don't say it can't go up, because once on the daily level this pops a little bit more, and those strategy EMA are broken, and the candle close above mid BB, so it will be a kind of a bullish sign, because more bulls will step in, and market makers will probably take it higher, because we need a close above the BB band, in my opinion, to be bullish. Because when this happens on the BB band, Also the RSI will print out the positive phase of the 50 level and above again, and this for me is bullish. But right now I am still watching for my strategy EMA and the mid BB EMA, and this red dotted strategy EMA also as resistance. And why I say so? Because like I said, price can go up a little bit more, but eventually the RSI 50 will show strong resistance, and it will continue to go down maybe. Of course, this is not 100% that it will happen. Me personally, I think so. If you follow, you know I'm short. You know from Rare on the Discord server all the details. And my stop loss is at profit. So if it pumps, you're gonna take my stop loss. Okay, I don't stress about it. Also, if you follow the way I post to trade, you can see that I always act after taking profits. I hope you can understand this. If not, we can discuss this more on the Discord server. Again, today I will also try to stream maybe on Twitch just the chart with the strategy, and so guys can ask maybe questions, and we can all watch it together. Sometimes I don't all day watch it. I don't sit in front of the screen all day. I've got my alerts, I've got my system, it's working. I don't need to sit in front of the chart all day. I sit in front of the chart when I want. Okay, so this is why sometimes maybe if you DM me or you wait answer, sometimes I don't answer. Don't be mad, it's not personal. I answer when I can, and if you see that I don't answer a long time, don't be shy and just message again, because sometimes it get lost and I don't can find it, you know what I mean? But anyway, sorry for the mumbling. Let's do the quick run up of the time frames. Okay, so generally on the daily I am still bearish. I don't care if it goes up. If it goes up, it will take my stop loss. I am not stressed, but again, this is only me because I am already bearish. On the Discord server you can check where did we enter long, and where is the stop loss for the safe play is supposed to be, and you can decide upon this maybe along with more the daily updates that will follow. Okay, so this is the daily. Let's jump straight to the 4 hours, and what we can see on the 4 hours, we can see that after the big dump we started to climb a little bit up, and every time we climb a little bit up there is a red motherfucking candle that spoils the party and doesn't let us get up. So again, why doesn't it get us let up? I don't know if somebody really knows the reason. Many people look at many things. I look at less things. Here we can see that the long signal was here of the strategy long, okay, but we also had a long signal here before that, okay. And what I think about this is, like you can see that it is testing the strategy for resistance, and this for me is still like I say many times, this is top BB action. This means this can pop up, and even after it pops up, it can go down with the strong force back inside to the BB bands, because this is what the BB bands do. If the bull is really strong, so the candles will continue to glide upon the BB top until one candle sooner or later will pierce it back to the BB bands. Okay, I don't care if somebody say meme. This is what will happen, this is what will be. I don't know on what level and when, because you see it can go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. I don't know, we don't know, nobody know. But if I look at the MACD, and let's say I'm a Jimmy trader who trades the MACD, okay, and who trades the 3-day MACD and the 1-day MACD, and he's starting to get on the ride, and he's going for the 4-hour MACD because he took profits from the lazy Discord server. He said to him go long before that, you know, and he took it. and he took it, and now he sees that he is on the horse, and he feels that, oh, he's gonna fuck everybody. And Lazy say, okay, fuck everybody, but gently, and do it smart, and always remember, most important, don't fuck me. So what I'm about to show you here is like this. This long signal, okay, it is bullying, and I think that everybody can agree that it doesn't matter if you apply my strategy or not. If you're long right now, I can see you are long, period. And I look at the MACD, and I like I always tell you, people who follow the 7 boom theory, okay? 7 boom, what it means? It means that if a trader trades upon indicator like MACD with a crossing point and all this shit, or stochastic RSI, I take a look at the direction and I decide. And if I say to you that long right now is dangerous, I say it because on the MACD I count candles backwards, and it is more than 7 candles. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, it means that for me, it means that from this point it is like kind of a manipulation. It is really hard for me to explain because we also see the long signal, okay? But this is what I think. This is only my opinion. It doesn't mean I am right, and it doesn't mean market knows what I'm even talking about. But it doesn't matter. This long signal was failed. Everybody who took here long was underwater, and here the signal is too short, and a little bit maybe people closed at profit. And once people didn't close at profit, like I always say, they only try to make you think I am wrong, and it goes up, okay? And right now it is already long. So me personally expect a big red dildo candle on the next candle on. And why I say so on the next candle and on? Because here will be another candle, but this candle, the next candle, okay, it will be already, I don't know if you heard, Bitfinex maintenance, okay? So this is also something we watch out, because we can't know. When big exchange like Bitfinex taken out of the game, it gives everybody else more power, because it's like less to move, okay? So people can join forces and do magic tricks while the Bitfinex is closed for maintenance. But again, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck what they will do, because my stop loss is at profit, and I think it is going down. Let's check the 1 hour. 1 hour, we can see that we had this long signal. We talked about it. We talked about taking profit. We're talking about BB top action many times. And right now we can see that price is trying to find the support on the TL, on the trailing stop level, maybe on the 16 EMA. We have to follow to see what happens and react accordingly. Okay, sorry, I jumped too early. 30 minutes, we can see the same shit again. Here a chop, here a little bit profit. If you close, very good. If you took this signal and you closed, took profit, like I said on the Discord, I'm also very happy. And this right now, you know the situation. Everybody sees this like kind of a trend line. Even my strategy says that it is finding support on those levels, and people expect that it will find the support here and go more up. And Lazy say maybe it will more go up, maybe it will find the support, but I think that it will first pierce to the EMA 50, which is 48 to be exact, and maybe from there it will try to do something. And when it will try to do something, you will think it will go up, but it will go down. Okay, and it will go down only after you press the long. It won't go down before. This is the way it works. Okay, so we look at the 50 minutes. Let's see what's happening on the 50 minutes. We can see that it is right now fighting this support, and people wait for the bounce, for the more up, because it's supporting the lazy strategy, and everything will be alright. You know what I mean? But I say it's possible. I don't know. It's possible, especially if price goes up a little bit, or even on this short time frame. You can see that once the RSI is above 50, that's it. It's a bull. Okay. You see how they trap here? You see what they do? You see here how it goes below, above, okay, below, above. And right now, lazy waits to see if this goes more above. If this goes more above, I am not excited, because I think that even if it goes more above, it can do this trick, like here, okay, and actually go more below. And we also got this nice short time frame signal. Maybe if this continues a little bit, I will update on the Discord server, so make sure to check out. And again, this is not a financial advice. This is only what I see and what I use. You can check the links in the description. Everything is there. The Telegram scanner is for free. There is a demo, and this strategy, it costs $40.99. Okay, because I know that many people they can't afford this. They can't afford $40.99 to buy themselves a simple script that will help them maybe to see market in one way, and not every day see market in someone else's way. Okay, this is for me very important concept. Anyways, short signal on the 15 minutes. It's only a short time frame. Don't put all your eggs on this. Don't put all your eggs on me. Be smart and trade safe. If these tools help you, use them. If they don't help you, counter trade them. I don't care. Okay, this is what we do. Again, the links are in the description. You can check this out. Let's check some more setups. We move back to the daily, and let's see. Okay, so 4-hour chart, and we've got the 70 EMA script that you can find in my trading view profile. No problem, it is free, this one. It's only 7 EMAs, which are condensed into one indicator, so you don't have to pay for the trading view. And what I see right here is, I see like this. I see that if we remove the EMA, I think that people watch, or maybe even if they don't watch, the market feels that it's gonna go to the pivot, and it is a very high chance that it will go to the pivot, because pivots, as you can see, in my opinion, are really important. Okay, so right now I want to see if all this shit will play out counterwise, and market won't go to the pivot like everybody expects. And why it won't go to the pivot? Because here we have a bearish crossing, okay, of the EMAs and also of the pivot point. And if we a little bit do like this, we can see that there is more pivots below and above. So what I think is happening is bulls looking for this level to go back to the pivot and maybe support the pivot. And if this plays out, so this plays out, I will not be able to do anything about it, but I will watch to see if the pivot is rejection, and even if not rejection and it starts to play here, I want to see this area as a bull trap. If it goes more up, don't worry, we will know from way before. Okay, because like I said, on the Discord server and on the strategy and with the Telegram scanner and with the Hulk Smash scanner, you can't miss it. This is what I think. You can't miss it. This is all the concept of the systems I use, because like I say, I don't auto trade. I take everything it gives me and I use my brain and I decide what I want to do and what I think. Sometimes it's for me, sometimes less, sometimes more. You know how it is. So 4-hour chart, a bearish thingy here, bearish crossing from my opinion. Bulls want to go to the pivot and above, but lazy says you will not go to the pivot because there is here a yellow line, and you will go here. You will go here, you will buy here, because you will think that this is support. Even this lazy line says support, and price will drop to S1. This is the scenario I see, and let's see today if this happens or not. Okay, we can also watch this chart on the daily, and on the daily level we can see that we have this cross, and like I say many times, after the cross we need to retest. So again, bulls maybe get to retest the 21 EMA. Okay, and if they pop the 21 EMA, so again, of course, everybody will scream moon, and we go to the pivot, and once we close above the pivot, we will be all in spacesuits, guys, I'm promising you. So make sure you do the right thing and trade safe. In my opinion, my approach is to save pips, okay, because I don't think I have a chance to beat everybody and beat the chart, and catch the top and sell the top and catch the bottom. All of these nice phrases. I don't give a fuck about this. I am short. My stop loss is in profit. I know what I do, and I hope you know what you do too. Okay, this chart is the daily pivot. We watch this. This is not new if you follow. One more thing we look at is 1 hour chart. Super trend default of the trading view is going up, nicely working, and people again who are profit analysis and smart model converters, original, fantastical, unique, they jizz a lot in the pants because they think they nail it every time. Lazy say, when you think you nail it, think I nail it after it took profit. Okay, this is when I allow myself, maybe for a second or for maybe 2 seconds, I allow this for myself, okay, to think I nailed it. Why I say this? Because the most advanced motherfucking thing or script or strategy, or I don't give a fuck what you say or what you use, this default indicator said buy, and that's it. We go buy. And this RSI with the EMA, which is not so default already, is right now saying that we are struggling. We are struggling on this hour to remain on this support. And if this line breaks this line and can't go above again, it means that we are going down, guys, okay? And if we look at the daily, we can see that the daily sell super trend is still on, and the resistance here is still real, okay? You can see, this is why I made this color. You see this color? It is also, you can find this on my trading view profile. This is a free indicator. I just changed a little bit of it, but you can see this, okay? And you can see this. Even if it pops up now, I will be watching this level. If it will continue to pop, I will be watching this level. If it will continue to pop, I will watch in this level, and if it will continue to pop, I will closing profits. Okay, guys? So I hope this was helpful today. for somebody. Again, let's sum it up on the daily chart. Bulls want to come here, and lazy want all of this bull to be reversed and come in the here. Okay, this is basically it. Remember guys, I am not an expert. This is not a financial advice. You should be very careful that you don't end up in someone's pocket, guys. Okay, so check the links, give it a like, smash the bell, give a comment. You can also, if you don't like what I say, you can express your emotions in the comments, because if you express your emotions in the comments, it will feed my YouTube algorithm and I will reach more people that are not like you, and maybe we can try to make something out of it. Okay, so again guys, thank you very much. Those who knows what I mean, and good luck, and just stay safe, and I see you next time. Updates on the Discord and Telegram. Thank you guys, bye.